Hey, this is Arlene. It is June the 17th. This refrigerator is hot. So there's heat emitting on the left side, and then there's heat emitting on the right side. And then the center part that you see right there, that's the door. The upper part is the freezer door. The bottom is the refrigerator door. And that's emitting frequencies. But this whole refrigerator, I can honestly say, is heating up my apartment. I'm sure that's being done intentionally so my air conditioner doesn't work productively. So like right now, I can feel it. 5640 Santa Monica Boulevard.